We often receive inquiries from people that restore pictures and conserve pictures, particularly oil paintings, and we've developed a few cameras that help to see beneath the actual oil paintings surface and see some of the hidden markings that often lie behind some of the old pictures that these people are aiming to restore. So just put the equipment to one side. So what you can see, we've had a colleague make this little framed canvas for us. So in the middle band they've used different types of pencil and paint, oil pastels and markers, basically to make a grid, and then they've put different types of drawings, as you can see, and then they've overpainted it with different coloured oils. So to the naked eye, or to the camera that we're recording with, it's quite difficult to see any detail at all beneath the colours. Got an infrared illuminator, just a very weak one, and then we've got this Samsung camera that we've converted to full spectrum. So if we take the camera and we point it at the canvas, you know, not a great deal of improvement, but with a little bit of backlighting with the infrared illuminator, just check that's on. If we put that behind the canvas, probably achieve what it would like shining a torch to it with a normal camera. But you can see there, you can actually see some of the markings that lie beneath the paint, so it's actually penetrating through the paint and making that quite visible. So you may ask, what's the benefit of that? So if we take this instance, we'll use an 850mm nanometer filter, should I say. If we now place that over the camera, you'll actually start to see a lot more detail. So towards the top, I'll just need to refocus this in position, and we'll zoom that in. It's probably a little bit too close to achieve that level of zoom, but I don't know if you can see that. You can see lady's face at the top of the image, row of cats and trees, stripe markings, so you can see each of the bands. And if we look at the area with the infrared penetrating, again we can see significantly more detail. So it's great for getting those hidden details. And we'll just take the illuminator out. You can actually shine that from the front if you'd like. Again, so you can actually see the reflection there on off the canvas, and then with the infrared filter in place, you actually just, it filters out the natural light, so you're just seeing the actual light itself on the surface. So we just hold that there, we'll take the illuminator, we'll shine it across the surface. Again, you can see that it's penetrating the actual paint and giving evidence of those markings we've just discussed from the front of a photo. So you can do the front and rear illumination. So if we drop that out now, that way that's just picking up off the natural light. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.